We will grow cucumber seeds in just 48 hours, using a very simple trick you can try at home. It works for many other seeds too, like pumpkin, melon, beans, or squash. First, take a piece of burlap sack and spread it flat on a clean surface. Burlap holds moisture and lets air pass, so it helps keep the seeds damp without drowning them. Now, take a sheet of tissue paper and place it over the burlap. This thin layer will hold water close to the seeds and keep them from moving around. Next, place your cucumber seeds on the tissue paper, giving a little space between each one. Cover the seeds with another piece of tissue paper so they sit between two soft layers. The sandwich keeps moisture on both sides and protects the tiny roots as they push out. Take a spray bottle and mist the tissue paper lightly. Don't pour too much water. The idea is to keep the tissue wet but not dripping. A gentle spray soaks the paper evenly, and the seeds can soak up water slowly. Now fold the burlap around the tissue like a small parcel. Wrap it properly so the wet tissue stays inside and does not dry out quickly. Give the outside of the parcel a little sprinkle of water too. This keeps the burlap damp and helps keep the inside humid, which seeds like. Put the parcel in a shady place where there is no direct sunlight. Strong sun will dry the parcel and may cook the seeds, which we do not want. A cool, shaded corner works well, under a table, in a shed, or on a balcony that does not get full sun. Leave it there for about 48 hours. During this time, the seeds will soak up water and the shell will soften. Inside, the tiny plant will wake up and a small root will appear. After 2 days, open carefully. It is like opening a small gift. You will see many seeds with tiny white roots peeking out. Some seeds might not have sprouted, and that is normal. Not every seed will grow, but most will show signs of life if they were good seeds. Handle the sprouted seeds with care because the little root is very fragile. Go to the garden or your planting place and make small holes in the soil with your finger. The holes do not need to be deep. Put one germinated seed in each hole with the tiny root pointing down. Then cover gently with soil and press lightly so the seed stays in place. Give the newly planted seeds some water so the soil is moist. Keep the soil damp for the first few days until the little plant starts to show leaves. Once you see green shoots, it is a good sign the seed has taken well. This method saves time and avoids wasted effort. When people sow dry seeds directly in the ground, some seeds never sprout and then you have to sow again. With pre-sprouting, you already know which seeds are alive. Only plant those that have sprouted and save your space and seeds.